What's up, fifth graders? Today we are going to be doing lesson 3 problem set. Now, in lesson 3 problem set, what you have is mostly just word problems. Now, for these word problems, you're going to have to read them, obviously, but you're going to have to do something new. Now, you may have done this before, but if you haven't, what you're going to do is something called a tape diagram. Let me show you what a tape diagram looks like. For example, in number 1, it says draw a model, which is going to be our tape diagram. Then write the numerical expression. Okay, so for A, it says the sum of 8 and 7 doubled. En español sería la suma de 8 y 7 dos veces. Ok, so fíjense cómo se haría. Voy a tomar esta cantidad. I'm going to take the sum of 8 and 7. Okay, 8 and 7, which is 15, and I'm going to draw a tape diagram. So it's going to look like this. What I just did, that little square, is called a tape diagram. Now, if it's telling me to double that, then double that would look like that. Okay, now the most important part is that when you double it, you're doing the exact same thing 2 times. So that means that this would also be 15. Okay, now your last step is to find what the value of the entire tape diagram is. Ahora lo que vas a tener que hacer es encontrar cuánto vale todo tu diagrama de cinta. So in total, your tape diagram is 15 plus another 15, which would be 30. En total sería 15 más 15, que son 30, o 15 dos veces, que es 30. Vamos aquí a la siguiente. Voy a hacer la B. Dice 4 veces la suma de 14 y 26. 4 times the sum of 14 and 26. Okay. I'm going to take the sum of 14 and 26 and do it 4 times. Okay. Pero lo voy a hacer también usando un diagrama de cinta. I'm going to use a tape diagram again. Check it out. So here is my tape diagram. And I'm going to have 14 plus 26. Now I can do this in my head, but if you can't do it in your head, then use your paper. Actually, why not? 14, 26, take the sum. You're gonna get a 0 there, carry the 1, and you get a 4. So you get 40. So if you do that 4 times, we already have 1 there, another 40, another 40, and if we continue it, I might have to step outside of the box here. 40. So let's see, in total, en total, con los 4 copias de 40, vas a tener 40 plus 40, 80 plus 80, 160. 160. So you're going to have to combine at the end all of your tape diagrams. Okay? Let's go on to one that is a little bit harder here. Triple the sum of... Okay, this one, E. This one looks tricky. It says the difference between 425s and 325s. La diferencia entre 4 copias de 25 y 3 copias de 25. Okay, for this one, I'm going to use two colors. So I have 425s, and then I'm going to have 325s. This is what this looks like. So here's my tape diagram, and I'm going to make this represent 425s. 125, 225s, 3 and 4 25. So 25. Oh, whoa. What am I doing here? 25, 25, 25, and 25. Now I'm going to show you 3 25s in blue. So here's a tape diagram right at the bottom showing me the 25s. Okay, now what's the difference between them? ¿Qué es lo que está diferente entre ambos de estos? Well, you can probably look at it and tell me, well, Mr. Cisneros, the top one has one more 25. That's the difference. And I would tell you, you are a genius. That is correct. So, your difference is just a 25. La diferencia solamente es 25. That's what's different about them. Or that's how much more one has than the other. Okay? Y eso es todo lo que tienes que hacer. Sorry, there we go. Ok, vamos hacia abajo. Ok. Ahora voy a hacer la número 2 aquí. En la número 2 dice, escribe la expresión numérica en palabras. Luego, resuelve. So first write the expression using words, and then you put the value of the expression by solving. So what I see here is 12 copies of the sum of 5 and 25, or the sum of 5 and 25 12 times. There's different ways to write it. So I'm going to write first this like this. The sum of 5 and 25 12 times. Or remember I said you can write it as 12 times the sum of 5 and 25. Okay? I know that the sum of 5 plus 25 is 30. And I know that 3 times 12 is 36. And I know that I have a 10 to add at the end. So my answer is 360. 360. Okay, and that's all you're doing in these is you're writing out what they would be using words, and then you're just solving for it. Okay. Let's continue down. Here you're just comparing. You all know how to compare. Aquí solamente estás comparando. Todos saben cómo comparar. Y hacia abajo tienes problemas de palabra. Okay. Ojalá y les ayude este video. Por favor, vengan a las horas de oficina si necesitan esa ayuda. See y'all next episode.